What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a very colorful look. I did get some inspo from Desi Perkins and like all this other social media that's been going on, like different posts. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes with some eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to be using the 35B palette for the very colorful colors. So this yellow shadow is probably one of my favorite yellows because I've tried different ones and they're not pigmented, but this one slowly but surely builds up, and I'm applying this into my crease. It's like my transition color. So then I'm going to mix that hot pink and like magenta color, and I'm applying it right below the yellow shadow because I still want the yellow to peek through. And I'm really concentrating this shadow. I do grab a little bit of shadow and I kind of build it up. I just feel like that works best for me because I don't want to apply a lot of shadow and then like work for it even more. Does that make sense? Anyways, I grabbed those purple shadows and I'm applying them into the outer beat of my eye, into my crease right below the pink shadows, because I want those pink shadows to pick through as well. And yeah, just blend it out, very concentrating most of the color in the outer part because I want some dimension there. So the darkest shadow is going to provide that. So then this shadow right here, I'm in love with it. This is from Wet n Wild, and I believe the shadow palette was like $2 or $3. I don't remember, but it's so inexpensive. But this blue shadow right here, it's like a teal with like very shimmery like glitter. I can't describe it. It's so beautiful and so pigmented. I did wet my brush, but you guys, as you guys could see, like I didn't apply concealer, and it just kind of cut my crease to perfection. But yeah, the shadow is just so beautiful. The only downside, it did stain my eyelids, which was, it kind of sucked because I had like blue on my lids, but still very pretty. Then I grabbed the purple shadow and applied that into the outer part of my eye and into my crease. I don't know why I wanted to play with both of those colors. I just thought they were really pretty, very shimmery. I don't know, really like how this look came out. Then I'm grabbing the pink shadows that I use for my crease, and I'm applying this in my lower lash line. Usually, like I would skip this and go to concealer, but I just find it better to do it this way. So for primer, I'm using this water primer from Wet n Wild. This is basically, I'm using like 3 products from their summer collection, just because I saw it at the store and I was like, let's play with it. But I really did like this water primer. I feel like my makeup looked good throughout the day and night. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply foundation. For foundation, I use my Wet n Wild. Concealer, I'm using my Fit Me by Maybelline in the color 20. It's like a little bit yellow, but it helps me with my under eye problem. And then I'm blending everything out with my beauty blender. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer and my foundation. And you guys already know I'm using my Earthspun. This is like my favorite setting powder of all time. It's cheap. It works for my oily skin. It's just perfect. It does get flashback. I mean, it hasn't done it to me because I apply my bronzer like all over my face, but a lot of people do say that it gets flashbacks. So for highlight, I'm using the highlight Boomin' by ColourPop X Shayla. I really like this highlight, very pretty. Then I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. For blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild blush. I forgot what it's called, but I'll link it down below. It's a very pink, peachy color. Really like it. Very glowy. Gives me a nice glow. For lips, I'm using my Neat Freak by Makeup by Shayla. Then I'm applying this highlight by Anastasia in the inner corner. And that's basically the look. Hope you guys like this video. I had so much fun creating this. Very colorful, very summer, something totally different. But I fell in love. I'll see you guys on my next video. And don't forget to subscribe.